Cryptocurrency is the new currency of the Great Reset. People don't know it. I tell people
BTC?
right now, BTC, Ethereum, buy it.
Get in.
Pump and dump, go make your money, but BTC, Ethereum, it's not going nowhere. People panic 2020. Oh, BTC is going to zero.
70K.
It went down to 2,000. From the top, it went down to 2K. When it went, I think it went up to like
that's free bread.
16, 17,000.
Free bread.
Right, 16, 17,000. It plummeted all the way down to 2000 and 2020, and then it ran up. Then it dropped back down.
4-year cycle.
Yep, dropped back down to 13K. Now it's back up to about 30K. I actually just caught that BTC buy from 28,000 to 34,000, like 3 weeks ago.
Is crypto your main pair?
It's crazy. It's not. But crypto is even how I even got started with trading. I wasn't a trader. I was a crypto person.
For a lot of people, that's true, though. For sure. It opens you up.
Yeah. So, like, I was real big on the Binance market. So, it was a Bitcoin that I bought into called Drip. Everybody thought it was going to be a pump and dump. It actually still is running 2 years
Drip
later.
Coin or just Drip?
It's called Drip Network.
Drip Network, okay.
So it's on the Binance market, and it's a staking protocol. And people was like, oh, it's a scam, it's a Ponzi scheme, because there was so many coins that were kind of similar. But with the way the dev set it up, I don't know, genius.
It was just hitting.
He's genius. I literally was pulling out $6,000 to $7,000 a day.
God damn.
Because I got into it when it was $6.
Damn.
Price went all the way up to $199. I initially dropped $13,000 into it. So over the years, just imagine all that staking.
So when you first heard about crypto, how long was it until you're like, all right, let me actually put some bread in?
It's funny.
How soon was it?
I worked for Delta, right? And it was a guy, Samoan guy. His name was Bofanu. I'll never forget him.
Bofanu.
Never forget him.
Can't forget that name. Come on now.
I was sitting at the break room table, just like chilling. And he was talking to me and a couple of my guys, at work. He was like, listen, you guys are young, and these are the things that y'all need to start looking into. And it was crypto. He said, y'all need to look into Bitcoin. Mind you, this was 2015. I didn't know what the hell a Bitcoin was.
There's always that one guy that's like, you got to buy Bitcoin. Everyone has that memory for sure.
Yeah.
I remember mine.
He told me, and I kind of, did a little research on it, but didn't still understand it because nobody was talking about it still. So I'm like, well, I'm not about to put no bread in that. I don't know what it is. Next year, he told us he was going to quit.
Just from that 1 year?
He quit. And I was able to get in contact with him. He was like, did you buy the BTC like I told you?
Damn, you got to tell him no?
I was like, nah, don't tell me you went crazy. He went crazy and got up out of here. I don't even know where he lives now. He's gone.
He's gone.
Yeah. But
he left Earth type shit.
After that, I was like, yeah, I dropped the ball. Let me figure this out. So then I started doing real hard research and started getting into Discords and Telegrams and just trying to interact with people that actually knew what it was.
Getting into Discord is definitely a good move, good resource.
Sure. Yeah, I didn't know much about Discords, but after I started studying crypto, they were saying that most people that trade crypto are in either Telegrams or Discord. So I was like, well, let me see what they're talking about. Because
the thing I hate about Discord is there's so many like bots that try to DM you and stuff.
It do.
So it's like you're on the grind to get bread, and they're like trying to get you.
You might lose a little bit in the beginning trying to filter it out, but it's there. It's there for sure. So so did the whole crypto thing. People approached me about trading. I know you know about IM Academy. I didn't really like it because it was just so many people doing it. So I'm like, anything that the masses is doing typically don't work. So I was like, I don't know how I feel about you signing me up for trading and you don't know how to trade per se. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, yeah, let me fall back from that. They're just
selling the hype.
Yeah, they were selling the hype, and ultimately it didn't work, and people kind of just faded out. But
hold on. You said something, though. You said typically what the masses are doing, they're not making money.
Right.
How did you know that? Where did you learn that?
Studying billionaires, studying multimillionaires. It's a very small
Studying
percentage of
their-
people.
follow their breadcrumbs.
You follow the money,
It
you
leaves
win
a
every
trail,
time.
huh?
Every time. So it sounds cliche, but it's true. It's true.
What's the one thing you've learned from billionaires? That like
Investing.
you gotta just put the money out there. You can't hold it.
The meme is the poor is poor because they have no money. Middle class is middle class because they save their money. And the wealthy is wealthy because they invest their money. If you don't invest, you're stuck in a cycle of the matrix, literally.